Okay. Ms. Mara,
Yes, ma'am.
why do you think we can employ you in this organization?
Yeah, the reason why I think you can employ me in this organization is because I know the general manager of this organization is dead. So you have nothing to say me that you cannot do a job in this organization. So now that the man is dead, you must give me a job.
Okay. Next question. Okay. Substitute y is equals to 4 into the following equation. 4x plus 2y is equals to 52. What is the value of x?
Madam, why are you asking me all this question? You have nothing to tell me, you must give me a job in this organization. Okay, if that should be the case, if you are x, you are y, and the value of x equals to 10, the value of y equals to 5, and the value of x equals to 5. I hate rubbish.
Ha ha ha!